Here are some new doggy stress balls. These guys are huge. Like, look at how big they are. They fill up my entire hand. These guys are the ones that have that super soft, creamy dough, shaving cream-like filling. You can hear inside. It's like, I don't know if you can see in there, but the stuff is just super soft. Easy to squeeze. These guys are not sticky at all. They have like a soft skin. Super moldable. And they're cute. They come in 3 different color options, as you can see right here. They even have little tail details.